In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your first chat in Google Chat. If you're new to Google Chat, don't worry. This is a very simple process, and once you do it once, it becomes second nature. Google Chat is designed to help you send direct messages quickly, whether you're reaching out to a coworker, classmate, or teammate. To get started, go to your Google Chat home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can view your conversations, spaces, and chat activity. If you're already signed into your Google account, the dashboard should load right away. If not, make sure you sign in first so you can access your chat tools. Once you're on the home dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on New Chat. This is where you begin creating a new conversation. The New Chat button opens a small search and selection area that lets you find the person you want to message. Next, type in the email address of the person you want to start a chat with. As you type, Google Chat will usually begin suggesting matching contacts automatically. This helps you confirm that you're selecting the right person, especially if there are people with similar names in your organization or contact list. Be sure to enter the correct email address associated with their Google account or workplace account. When the person appears in the results, click on their name or email entry. This selects them as the person you want to chat with. If you don't see them immediately, give it a moment and double-check the spelling of the email address you entered. Small typing mistakes can prevent the contact from appearing. After selecting the person, click on Start Chat. This opens a direct conversation window with that contact and creates your first chat thread. From there, you'll be able to type and send your message right away. A helpful tip here is to pause for a second before sending your first message and make sure you're in the correct chat window. That's especially useful if you're working quickly or chatting with multiple people throughout the day. And that's it. You've successfully started your first chat in Google Chat. Once the conversation is open, you can continue messaging normally whenever you need to follow up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.